I'm super excited because it feels like the longest time since I've filmed in like the setup professionally. I feel like I've just been vlogging for the past few videos, but this just, it feels like home. It feels like true YouTube. Anyway, so this video is all about thrifting, which I feel like is such a cool concept, and I think Mumbai is just starting to get like a little in it. Like I've seen a few garage sales and everything. I even listed some things on Kootloot. I just have so many clothes I've never worn and I just thought they deserve a better home. So yeah, I'm gonna link it down in the description of this video as well, but you guys really seem to love that idea and I just think it's so cool that you can pull from other people's closet. I mean, it's better ethically, it's better for your style if you want to experiment. It's just a really cool concept overall. So I'm happy like even Mumbai is finally getting into it since we don't really have thrift stores. Thrifting is something I really always wanted to try. So this summer when I was on vacation, I made it a point to visit some thrift stores and it was honestly a pretty cool experience. And this video I'm just going to be showing y'all everything that I got from thrift stores, basically what I'm gonna do with it, and then in the end I think I'll just have like a little mini lookbook to show y'all how everything ended up looking and how I'm planning to style it. It made me get more creative with stuff and it also helped me experiment a lot. I picked up some really cool things. So yeah, I think this is gonna be a really fun video, so let's just get into it. Before I show you all everything I got though, I just want to talk a little bit about my experience. So this was like the first time I ever went to a thrift store, I'm pretty sure. I mean, it was a interesting experience. My whole image of thrift stores was only through YouTube and like social media. I think going there in real life it was like a little bit different because for some reason I just had this like image in my head that I'd find it ton of like cool designer stuff, which was not the case, but I did end up finding really cute and like unique things. So it wasn't like bad, but it wasn't like a designer haven either. I will say if you've never been to a thrift store and you're planning to go, especially if you're on like vacation or something like me, make sure you plan it in a way that you have enough time to spend there, because a thrift store isn't something you can do on a time crunch. Trust me, I tried. It's just so overwhelming. You really need your time in there. When I first walked in, I was a little underwhelmed, I'm not gonna lie. As I like started looking more and more, I found sick things. I know I keep saying that, I'm gonna show it to you all soon, but I'm really happy with everything I got. You just really need to like look through everything and try everything on and kind of like look for inspo before you're going, so you kind of have an idea of what you want to do with things. So yeah, according to me, thrifting definitely requires a little bit more like preparation before you step into the store, but it's definitely worth it. Okay, to be very honest, it's been a while since I've been back, so I don't exactly remember the prices of everything, but I'm gonna try my best to remember it and either have it in the description, or if I remember while I'm showing it to you, I'll just tell you. The first thing that I got is, I think, one of my favorite things that I got. I mean, yeah, definitely. So you guys know my style is super like girly, Chanel, classy, clueless. Yeah, I'm just throwing adjectives right now, but I definitely like a good Chanel suit movement. I found this like tweed blazer kind of thing and wow, does this not remind you of 90s Chanel? Like when I saw it, I think I almost cried. I remember this because it was like $19 or something, which is insane. Because I know if I got it like online or in store, it would at least be like $60 or more. So this was definitely a steal and I'm so happy with it. It's like a true tweed material. It's pink and white. So I mean, it can't get more me than this. I'm so excited to style this. So this actually came as like a peplum blazer thing, and I'm not really a big fan of peplum. I mean, it's cute, but I just don't think it goes with like my whole style and vibe right now. It's a little too like formal-ish for me. I had the sickest idea of cropping this because honestly, crop blazers are so sick. I feel like with the tweed and the plaid, it's like a perfect Chanel inspired look. I feel like I'm gonna crop it like right under here, and that would be so cute. Like, oh my god, just like imagine all of this gone. That is so much cuter. I need to do this. Okay guys, that's decided. This is getting cropped. It's like the perfect amount of vintage, but like right now, like mix. I can't wait to see how this all turns out in the end. Okay, editing update. The material was too thick for me to be able to crop myself, so I just got it done outside. Basically, I just couldn't do it, so I had to get it done from someone else. Whatever, it looks good though. Oh my god guys, silky dreams. I got this It's like this long cocktail kind of dress. I'm pretty sure it's actually a nightgown, but I'm definitely gonna wear this as a dress. I feel like it's one of those dresses you've seen all over Instagram, like people wearing at the beach in summer. Could wear to like a rooftop party or like a, you know, like a cute cocktail dinner or something. I do want to customize it to myself a little bit. Right now, this sort of just looks like a nightgown, but I really think it can be a super pretty dress if we just get like cinched in a little. See that here? Even from here, like a little nice waist, and a slit would be so sick. I feel like if we add a slit and just alter this a little bit, it's gonna be the prettiest dress ever. I'm gonna make it more fitted because that's more my vibe. I don't like a regular slip dress that doesn't really fit. I like something that's a little bit more form-fitting. Honestly, everything from like the fabric to the color, like this is such a unique color. It's like this really cool sea green bluish thing and feels like soft and comfy as well, not like cheap satin. Yeah, I don't know, I love it. I'm excited. This really pretty like mauvish button-up shirt, and shirts are just so universal. I can already think of a million things I'm gonna do with this, but what really got me was the color. It's so unique. I feel like I haven't ever seen this in like a normal store, and it's just so eye-catching but like subtle at the same time. You can definitely like dress it up, dress it down, and I'm really excited to see what I do with this because I can think of so many outfits already. So initially with the shirt, when I first saw it, the look that came to my mind immediately was this Hailey Baldwin look. So I really wanted to like crop it and make it like super cute, wear it with like nice bands and make it like a nice like monochrome piece that I could like pair with a lot of like other pink pieces. But now that I put it on, I actually think it's like really good. Like shirts are so universal, and I even see myself wearing this with like jeans on like a normal college day with like a nice crop top inside. So yeah, I have a few ways I can wear this in mind. Like, I mean, it's a shirt honestly, so I can do like a lot with it. So I'm kind of deciding if I should crop it or not. Let's see. Now I'm just wearing it with this pink skirt, so I kind of had like a monochrome outfit in mind. This pink, I don't know how I feel about how these two shades of pink go together. I kind of like it, but I kind of am also like off about it. For now, I'm just buttoning this up so I can like kind of tuck it in and see how it looks cropped. This looks a little too formal right now, so I don't really know. For now, I'm just not gonna crop it. There are a lot more things I can do while it's uncropped. Next up is just like a basic oversized kind of tee. I don't really know how to describe it. It's lime green, which I've really been into lately, and I feel like I've seen it a lot more on like runways and celebrities as well. This was definitely like a spring and summer color, but I see it going into fall as well. Definitely knew I wanted to like crop it and make it like a cool tank top. It's something I can just throw on with a pair of jeans and wear to like school, you know. Alright, so this might look a little weird because I'm just wearing it on top of my top, but this is kind of what we have as of now. I'm just gonna crop it like quite short, but yet like not too short because I do want to wear this to school. So I think like right at like the smallest part of my waist, I don't know. So I'm just gonna mark it here. Up one of those things which I feel like is the rite of passage when you go to a thrift store. Like no one goes to a thrift store without picking up one of these oversized t-shirts, and it's very like the dad aesthetic. That's just like super in. I feel like everyone's been wearing it in like different ways. This is this pink like oversized t-shirt. I just got it ironed, so I'm trying not to like ruin it. It's just this really pretty bubblegum pink, and I feel like the fact that it's so oversized and clearly a dad t-shirt dresses it down a bit, which sticks to like my street chic aesthetic. Again, with the whole preppy chic thing. Pretty basic. I feel like I could just leave it this way. Maybe I was thinking of getting it cinched. If it was a little longer, I could have made it into like a bodycon dress, but it's just not that long, so I feel like I can just wear it as like a long t-shirt with like shorts underneath just peeking through, and then just like some chunky shoes. I feel like that would be a vibe. But also, I mean, I could even crop it, but like, I don't know, that's so expected. Let's see. Editing updates. So it just wasn't very cute as like an oversized t-shirt. I really tried to make it work as like a dress and all, but didn't work out. So I ended up just cropping it really short. I kind of have to nail it in a way, if that makes sense, because it's like short, but not like short. It's not like over the bust, but it's not like you can't wear it as a normal t-shirt. I don't know. I just thought it was like a cool thing. You'll see right now. Pretty much it. I didn't pick up a lot because, again, as I said, I was on vacation and I didn't really have like a lot of time to spend at like each store, so I really need to divide my time. So yeah, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you all have ever thrifted, let me know how your experience was, and if you liked how I style these things. If you have any other ideas of what I could have done with them, leave them down below, because I mean, I don't know, I feel like I'm pretty happy with what I did, but I could have done better. I don't know. Leave your ideas down below. It's fun to share ideas, get creative. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh crap, I'm getting late. Okay. So yeah, oh my god, it's hot. Yeah, it was an extra large size, so I was definitely a little underwhelmed. I was definitely a little underwhelmed.